So don't worry, super simple and clear. So, are you ready to dive in? Setting up your own wallet, well, it's your first real step into taking control of your own assets. It's a total game changer. Let's get right to it.
The whole thing, from start to finish, is actually way more straightforward than you might think. We'll start with the very first step.
All right, first up, Section 1, downloading the extension. Think of this as a tiny, secure little program that just plugs right into your browser. It's basically your front door to the XOVA world. And the number one rule here? Always start from the official website.
Okay, so first, you're going to head over to the official XOVA website. And I'm serious about this. Double check that URL. Scammers are clever and they love making fake sites that look real. Once you're sure you're in the right spot, look for that download button, give it a click, and then choose the Chrome option. That'll take you straight to the official web store.
Oh, and just a quick heads up here. The Chrome Web Store is a Google thing, so you've got to be signed into your Google account to add anything. If you're not, just hit pause for a sec and get logged in. It'll make the install way smoother.
On the store page, you can't miss it, that big Add to Chrome button. Or maybe it says Add to Brave if you're using that browser. Go ahead and click it. A little window will pop up asking you to confirm. Just click Add Extension, and boom, Part 1 is done. The wallet is now officially a part of your browser.
Perfect! The software's in. Now for the fun part, actually creating your wallet. This is where you generate that unique address that belongs to you and only you. So the extension should have opened up a new tab for you automatically. To get this whole thing started, you're just going to click that big button that says Create a New Address. And here we are. This is, without a doubt, the most critical part of this entire process. I'm talking about the seed phrase. You absolutely have to pay close attention here because this is the master key to everything. Okay, I really need you to just stop and focus for a second. Your password, you can reset that. The extension, you can reinstall it. But your seed phrase, if you lose it, your funds are just gone forever. There's no customer support line to call. This is your one and only backup.
The warning right there on the screen couldn't be more direct. Never save your seed phrase in digital format and never share with any person. Let's be crystal clear about what this actually means, because you can't afford to get this wrong.
So in practice, that means no screenshots, no saving it in a text file or a notes app. Don't even think about emailing it to yourself. Anything that's connected to the internet is a potential risk. The only way to do this right is old school. Grab a pen, grab some paper, write it down, then put that piece of paper somewhere physically safe, like in a safe. And for the love of all that is good, never ever share it. Okay, got your pen and paper? Got a safe place in mind to store it? Good. Now you can go ahead and click Show Seed Phrase. You're about to see 12 random words. This is it. This is your master key. Write them down carefully and make sure you get them in the exact right order. And don't rush this part. Double check the spelling, triple check the order. Have you actually written it down? Is it somewhere safe? Don't even think about moving on until you can say yes to both of those questions. So, once you are 100% absolutely, positively confident that your physical backup is safe and sound, then, and only then, should you click that button, I've saved the phrase.
Whew, fantastic. The most stressful part is over. You did it. Now we just have to finalize the setup and your wallet will be all ready to go. Next up is your password. Now, this is totally different from your seed phrase. This password is just for unlocking your wallet on this computer for day-to-day stuff. So pick a strong one, click confirm, and when you see that final welcome screen, hit get started.
And one last little pro tip for you. Pin the XOVA wallet right to your browser's toolbar. It just makes your life easier, keeping it right there at your fingertips for whenever you need it.
And just like that, you're done. Congratulations! Your XOVA wallet is installed, your key is secure, and you are officially ready to go. You can send, receive, and interact with the whole ecosystem now. So the setup is finished, but really, this is just the beginning. Your journey into financial self-sovereignty starts right now. So the only real question left is, what are you going to do first? Thanks for following along.